freaking morning, YouTube. What is up, people? How you guys doing? I hope you have an amazing day. A very good morning to all of you. Hope you guys liked the previous video, cause that was something new for me. I've never done this stuff in my life, so trust me when I say it was something new for me. So right now it's 9:35 in the morning, and we did deliver the load, the previous load from Centers. I couldn't record because I had to personally go and help with unloading the trailer. So basically in that they give you like a pallet jack, and you got to move the stuff till the end of the... I'll be back. Sorry, I'm back. Okay, so yeah, we did get over there at 8 o'clock, and we had to unload the trailer. So basically with a pallet jack we had to pull the load, the pallets, till the door, and then one of the Cintas guy would come with a forklift and get it out, because I don't think they have a dock over there for me to back in, so I couldn't record. But yeah, there goes a freaking $18 shower, dude. I just took a shower in the morning and I started sweating, and my whole shirt was covered with sweat. So there goes my freaking $18 shower, and that's fucking annoying. I had to pay for $18 fucking dollars for a shower, dude. But yeah, it is what it is. Like I said, if you come towards the East Coast, there's hardly you have any Loves. So you have only few Travel Centers of America, few Pilots, and I think there's like 1 or 2 Loves. That's it. But that also is like way ahead. So yeah, we couldn't get to any Loves nearby, so we had to go to TA's and we had to get a shower, because I'm not going to stay for 3-4 days without a shower. So anyways, we did pay $18 for a shower. Got that shower in the morning, unloaded, got unloaded at the Cintas, and then we got a different load which we are picking up from North. Give me 1 second, let me tell you exactly from where we pick it up. So we picking up this load from North Haven, Connecticut, and this one's going to Pennsylvania. I can't pronounce this name. It's Monison, I don't know, whatever. It's going to Pennsylvania. So that's like it's a 450-mile load total together of the pickup and the delivery. So 450 miles, and the appointment is for tomorrow at 12 p.m. but I will definitely check if I can get there early and try to get it unloaded. So right now we are at this place called Sims Metal. So I think I'm gonna be loaded with all metals. If you see, it's like a huge freaking place. You have those huge bloody cranes picking up metals. And so yeah, so I think this is like a metal place, and we are gonna be loaded with some metal stuff. So yeah, stay tuned. And today we're gonna do training number 5. Yeah, training number 5, and let's see, maybe training number 6. Training number 6 was, I think training number 7 was the one that I had to kick out. So if you want to get that story, stay tuned. I will tell you all. I will tell you all the stories, don't worry. But do let me know how you like these videos, guys. I really need some people to motivate me by telling me whether they like these videos or no. So yeah, I'm gonna see. Right now it's 9:39, so 9:40. Let's see how long they take to load us. They're gonna load us, and then we're gonna go back to the scale and see. And yeah, I'll keep you guys updated with what's happening. So stay tuned. Okay, peace.
walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Feel like a dynamite, ready to explode right up in the sky. I need you to listen, I need you to hear, and don't show any fear. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul.
Turn right on US 6. In 1 mile, turn right on I-84 East. Continue on the current road.
Hey guys, so just came back to give you a quick update. So we did get loaded from there and we started driving off. We're hauling some huge ass metal pieces, huge ass metal pieces, and the total weight for this is 41,946. so you see we are pretty heavy. So I did go to a scale and get the weights on all the tandems, and we are legal on all of them, so we are good to drive. And right now I just stopped at a rest area to pee, and let me see if I can show you guys how beautiful it looks. Okay, I'm just going to see if I can get you out a little bit to see. I'll be back. Let's go. The rest area, and that's the freaking view. Damn. Okay, let's head back. So yeah, that is some really beautiful view. Okay, so since we are not allowed with this company that I'm working for right now, GP Transco, in this company we are not allowed to take the George Washington Bridge road, and we are not allowed to use I-76 into Pennsylvania because it's very expensive for tolls, and especially if you're a truck driver, that road is very expensive. So those are the two routes that we do not take, and the third one that we don't take is the I-90 Skyway Chicago. These are the three routes that we in this company do not use at all, so we got to avoid those routes and go around the place. So right now the route that I'm taking is, okay, if you can see, that's my Garmin. So we are taking I-84 to 380 to 81, and that's going to take us to I-80, which is going to take us to US 220, or you can say I-99 to Bellefonte, and that's going to get us down to US 22. And if you can see, that's going to take us down to US 22, and then there's all mountains up and down, and that's going to take us to US 119, which will then take us to, it's going to, from there, once we take that, that's going to take us to 70, I-70, and that's how we're going to get there. So by taking this route, we are technically avoiding the whole of George Washington, and we will not be taking I-76, which technically it's much easier to just take I-76 and head to the delivery, but we are not allowed. So this is the route that we're taking. So yeah, stay tuned. Once we find a place to park, we will continue with the video, and I will tell you about trainee number 5. Stay tuned. It's hot as hell, man, but it's beautiful over here. Stay tuned.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go. through the highways, and on we'll go. Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on